They're rushing the right side!
Priority number 1, get to the cubes, push the cubes towards their base. Use them as cover. Can't shoot at you when you're behind them, okay? So when they try to flank you, light them up. Number 1 control point for us is the CPPP. So we own the center, we own the game. It's that simple. They have to walk back to respawn, we control everything. Get to the center, then fan out to the sides. Hold the center. I don't care if the blocks don't move. The center is most important. All right?
Ready? 1, 2, 3,
Fire!
Hey guys, it's Mark here from Southern California Tactical Airsoft, and today we're at the first big event of the summer, Evike Civil War. This event sold out in a week, and there's a long list of Airsoft celebrities here today. Well, there's only one thing left to say. Let's get to it!
I got your 6.
Grenade out!
Hey guys, it's Mark here from Southern California Tactical Airsoft. And today I'm here with the leaders of the 2 factions of the Evike Civil War. So how did you guys get into Airsoft?
I was in high school. I was at a friend's house. This was the first time I'd ever seen an airsoft gun. It was a Tokyo Marui MP5. Hanging out at his house, he was like, "Hey man, check this out." I was like, "That is the coolest thing I've ever seen." He's like, "Let's go out front and shoot it," in the front of his house.
Okay.
And then he's like, "To really get the experience, go down the block a little bit. Just run that way. No eye pro on." I turn around expecting to see a shot fly by me. He nails me right in the neck, and from then on, I was hooked. Don't ever do that, ever.
Wow.
Yeah.
How about you, Jet?
I basically discovered Airsoft after working at a paintball shop. So I worked at a paintball shop. The guy who owned the shop brought in an Airsoft catalog, saw the catalog, said to myself, "Wow, this looks way cooler. I'm gonna do this." A week later, sold all of my paintball stuff. A Jungle Toy opened up in the city next to me. Went to the Jungle Toy with all my paintball money and bought Airsoft guns.
Okay.
And that was back in 2002.
So tell me about your guys' kit.
So I guess we'll go bottom up. We're in a set of 511 desert boots. I think these are the ATAC 8-inch. Above that, I got my Beyond Clothing Woodies or M81s. Really, really comfortable. Battle belt and vest are made by a company called Beaver Tack.
Okay.
It's just the base plate carrier and the battle belt itself. Then I got a variety of pouches that all kind of work together. But I like to stay Ranger green while I can because I think it's a really adaptable camouflage color. I think it works with tan and green camos.
I am wearing the I've got Solomon GTX 4D boots. These this top and bottom is Swedish M90K. The plate carrier I'm wearing is the LBX 0300S in tan. This is an LBX prototype belt. It should be coming to market soon. And let's see, code red, signal 21, and that's pretty much it.
And how's the game coming so far?
We're winning, so it's going really well for me. How about you, Matt? Oh, that's right, you're losing. Yeah,
it's
so
about,
it's going well for
say-
me. That's it. Next question.
All right. It was nice meeting you guys.
You too. What the?
All right,
The
guys.
propaganda's real.
Signing out.
Rushing right! Right in front of you!
Ha ha!